sneaky.
The U.S. government says you must use this lock. What?
We've seen this, right?
Lockpicking Lawyer. Yeah, it's a great
big
channel.
Fan.
Yeah, it's amazing.
He realized that the standard lock for the USPS,
Your mailbox?
for the mailbox, is this specific lock that he opens in literally 2 seconds. Well, not 2 seconds, maybe like 15 seconds.
Yeah, but he's like trained and skilled at this.
Using tools that is on his website, but it's literally a kind of like 2 hairpins.
Oh, those don't look complicated at all.
You have a squiggly hairpin and like a right-angled hairpin. That's it.
Yeah.
Well, I mean,
I don't know if
Okay, but what's his like technique? Like, does he?
No, his technique is literally jiggling it.
What?
And then he opens it. There's no like pins apparently. And then it's
Oh my God! Yeah, that looked really easy.
yeah, these locks suck. Have you ever
They
gotten the
do
mail?
suck.
I mean, you just know they suck.
Yeah, but I didn't think
You know
it
what
would
happened
be
the other
this
day?
easy.
I was driving past a mailbox and a guy just forgot to close the whole thing. Just the doors just swinging open.
But your keys get stuck, right?
Oh, they suck, man.
Yeah.
They suck. I'm guessing that, like, as far as valuable items, it's not really in the mailbox. Mostly nowadays, it's getting dropped off, and so like, who's really trying to steal your junk mail?
Yeah.
For the most part.
But for every mailbox in every American, I guess for us as well,
No,
Canadians,
ours suck just as
like,
well as that. Yeah,
I think
it's,
ours is very similar.
just
to
very
this.
easy to crack.
it's the same as that. It's trash. Yeah,
So-
I don't know. It's so small though, and you know they probably considered costs and. But this guy
Right.
makes every lock look like crap.
He does.
The
He
locks,
does.
the locks that he likes.
Shout out lockpicking lawyer.
The locks that he likes are absolute beasts. You know what I mean?
And they cost like what?
Well, actually, look at that one. This lock is pick proof right there. He loves that lock, and it's pretty small too. 4.6 million views. Maybe the USPS needs to buy that lock. Indisputably pick proof. 4.6 million views. It's captivating stuff. You get to see if you can pick it or not. You know.
Yeah.